Good morning.
Good morning.
What are you doing this morning?
So we finally got the heater hoses off. There was actually water left in them. So I got a couple things just to finish off, and we're gonna start doing some painting this morning. Oh, I scrubbed the snot out of this the other day, really bad, and it needed it. I didn't think it was as dirty as it was, but yeah, it needed it. So I got a couple things I got to disconnect yet, so that we get right to get everything looking really good. So we'll get this done today. I'm a little behind schedule, not feeling the best this morning. So back to work it is. We'll get everything taken care of. I got a little bit of scrubby to do over there. We got to order a new tray for him. So that'll be taken care of. And I am going to get back to work. So on that note, ladies and gentlemen, I will bid you adieu.